At Urban Ecology, we like sharing information, and so we've decided to share the process by which we manufacture our interlocking, compressed, stabilized earth blocks, or ICSEB. The first step involves mixing soil, sand, and minimal cement in carefully calibrated proportions to form a homogeneous mixture. In the second step, this homogeneous mixture is compressed into the desired shape and size of earth block using molds and machinery. Next, the blocks are cured. This is essential so as to increase the strength, durability, and abrasive resistance of the blocks. Finally, the blocks are stacked atop one another for storage and final curing process. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any queries.